Hello everybody. Lighting is really bad. There we go. We're making recipes that require very simple ingredients, very much household staple kind of recipes. So for this week, I'm gonna prep some really easy vegan plant-based quesadillas with the filling that's lentils, brown rice, and cheese. So yeah, let's get to the recipe. The first step is to make some fresh lentils. We're going to add 1.5 cups of dry washed lentils to a medium saucepan with 3 bay leaves. Let that get really hot, then simmer until fully cooked. Add an onion, some bell peppers, black pepper, cumin, oregano, and some garlic powder to a medium skillet and fry up. Once nice and cooked down, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and water to deglaze. You want the tomato paste to char nicely. Add 2 cups of cooked brown rice or white rice or even quinoa, whatever you have on hand. And when the lentils are really nice and soft, drain just a little bit and add all of them to the onion and tomato mixture. Add 1 to half a bag of salt-free taco seasoning and 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for cheesy flavor, and with a hand blender, just really lightly blend everything so it kind of resembles taco meat. Add apple cider vinegar and miso paste for saltiness, and also a bit of balance to everything with the vinegar. For a crema, we're going to add cashews and hemp seeds in addition to a garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and some miso paste to a blender, ideally a high-speed blender. For a quick guac, we're going to make an avocado, mash it up with a little bit of garlic and lime, or you can choose to make it into a guacamole with cilantro in addition to the already previously mentioned ingredients. Add a little bit of oil to a medium skillet, add vegan cheese and the mixture to the tortilla, and let it all bake. Add a little bit more vegan cheese, your second tortilla, and let it heat up and get nice and warm. Flip it when it's nice and toasty and let it cook on the other side. Once everything is nice and brown, we're going to just generously cut it down the middle. You can divide it into fourths or half, whatever you prefer. We get a nice shot of the middle here, and serve it with that cashew crema, also some of the guac you made. You can also do store-bought or homemade salsa. If you guys like this recipe, be sure to subscribe to the channel for recipes every Friday and shorts daily. Have a good one.